Mr. Marlow had a big dog named Monty. Monty loved going for long walks, but there was one tiny problem. Monty had long legs and walked so fast that poor Mr. Marlow had to run to keep up. He held on his hat and scarf tightly so they wouldn't fly away. One evening, Mr. Marlow went to the market, leaving Monty at home. When he came back, Monty saw a huge parcel in his master's hands. What could it be? Monty wondered, his tail wagging in curiosity. The next morning, Monty leapt out of the house and started running fast as usual. He ran and ran, but then something felt different. Mr. Marlow was not struggling behind. Instead, he was right behind Monty, moving just as fast. Monty stopped and turned around, his big eyes full of shock. And guess what he saw? Mr. Marlow was wearing roller skates. His scarf fluttered in the wind as he glided smoothly along the path. Oh, that's what was inside the mysterious parcel, Monty thought in amazement. Monty's tail wagged excitedly. Now that his master could keep up, Monty happily ran even faster. Together, they zoomed through the park, laughing and enjoying their adventure. From that day on, every walk was a fun ride, and Monty loved his master's secret trick. And that's the story of Mr. Marlow and Monty's exciting adventure. Would you like to have a roller skates too? If you like the story, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.